Hi, real estate enthusiasts. So, what I'm going to do, I've had some requests on some specifics about acquisitions for commercial real estate property and some of the paperwork and organization that goes in that. So, this is going to be a little bit more commercial real estate 101. And I'm going to provide a few shorter videos to kind of break down a few things. So, first off, I am going to go ahead and share this expense report. It is something when you are going to purchase a commercial real estate property, it's best to get a bank account specific to that business and connect a QuickBooks or some other accounting software to that bank account. And so you can keep all of your income expenses in line in one place. So when you're purchasing a company, which is what commercial real estate is, not all of that is set up initially. So what I do in our properties is I just create a really simple Excel sheet that I can keep track of. I share this with all parties involved so everyone can update any expenses that they have spent prior to either acquisitions or after acquisitions the first few months until we have everything set up. This way, we can make sure that all partners are paid in equally, everyone's invested equally, and we can all see kind of the expenses and everything that's been applied to the property. So this is just a quick example. As you can see, I have the name of the company that we're acquiring and have the name of the partners of the property. So these are the active partners. I've also applied equity partner. You can have investors, you can have no one. That just kind of is, or you can have multiple partners. So this was just my example. I have the date and extra notes. So as you can see, appraisal is first. So when you're looking to purchase a commercial real estate property and during due diligence phase and closing phase, you need to get an appraisal. So this is going to happen. This is a step that's going to happen prior to a bank account getting set up or anything of that nature. And so I went ahead and I put an appraisal. I put in which partner paid for that appraisal on the date that it got paid for. And in notes, you can put anything that you want. You could eventually put the link to the appraisal report. You can put the appraiser's company name, contact information, anything that you think would be helpful or however in depth that you want to get. So basically, as you can see, we have a couple of expenses that we had prior to getting the company set up. So, Zoom, any of you that know that's creating your company name, that's creating the LLC, that's creating your articles of organization, that's creating your operations agreement, etc. So that goes in there under which partner paid for it, the date that it was paid, and what it was referencing to. So this is just my example. Hopefully this is helpful. So again, I put this in my Google Drive. I share it with all the partners involved so everyone can update, everyone has access to it. And I do this when any expenses start to come out of pocket based off of a property that we're doing due diligence with and looking to acquire. And if we've acquired it and we don't have things set up, we still have an ongoing Excel sheet or a document that we can keep track of funds. As you see, I have a couple examples, closing fees and repair funds from the equity partner. It's just good to keep track of everything that's going out because at this point, nothing's coming in. So you want to see who has paid what it went to, and the date that it was spent. So you can keep track of all of that. So once you get your bank account set up, your QuickBooks set up, or your accounting software set up, that you can get it updated appropriately and get everyone paid. So again, hope this was helpful, and subscribe below, comment, let me know what you need help on, and stay tuned for the next video.